All right, first thing I need you guys to do is, of course, turn off your music before I start. Can't do math unless you guys hear why I'm doing what I'm doing. You can't do that if you're also listening to music. Turn it off. You can turn it on when I'm done. Okay, let me get started. For the first problem, I'm going to shade some bow ties here. I'll shade this angle, shade the one across from it. You can put a dot in the middle if you want. I'm going to shade this one across from it, dot in the middle if you want. Remember, your bow ties should face the same exact direction. If they don't face the same direction, you're not doing it right. And now, I'm going to ask myself if my pairs are congruent or supplementary. So, 67 is shaded. 2x minus 7 is not shaded. That means 67 is not equal to 2x minus 7. Because one is shaded and one is not shaded. So if they're not equal, that means they are supplementary. Supplementary means they add to 180, right? So in this equation, I'm going to add them to 180. And now I can go ahead and start solving. So step 1, I do have some like terms on the same side, the equal sign. I have this 67, and I have this negative 7 right here. When you have terms that are on the same side of the equal sign, you could do the operation that it says to do on this side. You don't have to do the opposite. So I'm just going to do what I see, which is 67 minus 7. So that leaves me with 60 plus 2x equals 180. Step 2. Let's get rid of that 60. Subtract it on this side. You also have to subtract it on that side. So that would leave you with, still have a 2x over here. And then 180 minus 60 is 120. 2x equals 120. Last step is to divide by 2 on both sides. Therefore, x would equal 120 divided by 2, which is 60. X equals 60. You guys can pause here if you need to. If not, I'm going on to the next one. So for this problem, I'm going to start the same way. I'll shade some bow ties here. I'll shade this one and this one. Put a dot in the middle. And then I'll shade this one and put a dot. Remember, your bow ties have to face the same direction. And then, are your pairs congruent or supplementary? Well, I've got 4x minus 8, and I've got 76. 4x minus 8, and I've got 76. Well, they're both shaded. And if they're both shaded, that means they are equal to each other. They're congruent. So since they're equal to each other, now all I have to do is solve this equation that's in front of me. So I'm going to start by adding 8 on both sides to get rid of it. So let's cancel it here by adding 8. Whatever you do on this side, you also have to do on the other side. So I'm going to add 8 over here as well. And that leaves me with 84. Carry down your 4x. Last step, if this is 4 times x, then you would divide by 4 on both sides. So I'm going to divide by 4 on this side, and I'm going to divide by 4 on this side, and we end up with x equals 21. If you guys are still left with questions, at this point, you call Miss Morris or I, or you may watch the video again to do the problems below on your own.